If you're anything like me, when it comes to troubleshooting, you rely a lot on this like details and the ability to view property history. So something along these lines of kind of going into the property and looking for whatever information it may be and being able to click the details and view how it's changed over time. I really struggled in the past when it comes to troubleshooting different lead object types of issues because I wasn't able to pull up the property history of a lead. And I finally learned how to do it. When I talked to HubSpot Support about it several months ago, they told me that I had to like view the lead object as the owner and that you could see certain things in their leads view. But I've recently discovered that if you come into the lead object and you open up a lead, you click open in queue. And if you come down here, you're able to go to about this lead, actions, and view all properties, which allows us to view the property history. So I can say, for example, take something like MQL and see what the value is and what set it. So this was a game changer for me. Maybe you guys already know, but I didn't. So hopefully this helps somebody out.